Before we continue, a quick word from the sponsor of this video, Raid Shadow Legends. As you are probably aware by now, Raid Shadow Legends is a visually stunning fantasy RPG with hundreds of champions to choose from. Join forces with over 1 million active daily players and slay demons for epic loot, unlock rare champions and more. You don't have to take our word for it, there's over 41,000 ratings on the App Store. Raid recently released its biggest update ever, the Doom Tower. It's a giant tower with 120 floors, a bunch of secret challenge rooms and 12 seriously badass bosses to take on. It's an absolute blast. And that is not all. With a bunch of new champions coming soon and a load of awesome events coming through February, there's even a Valentine's Day event, there's never been a better time to dive in and get started. Go to the video description, click on these special links, and if you are a new player, you will receive 50,000 silver, 50 gems, an energy refill, a clan boss key, 5 mystery shards, a 1-day XP booster, and a free epic champion shaman.
All of this treasure will be waiting for you here. Good luck, and I'll see you in the game.
Have you ever dreamed of a game that isn't 4:3 aspect ratio? Now there is one. This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends, a game that offers 500 champions, each with their own skill trees and endless artifacts from awesome weapons to wing caps. And in this game, the people run really fast. Just look at them go. When you play Raid, you don't need a controller, which you would just break and I'd have to fix it. I like that they have also an arena where you can play against other people instead of only AI. Because, you know, it's always fun to lose to other people. Raid just released Artifact Forge, where you can save time and craft artifacts directly, as well as whole new advanced quest system with amazing rewards. And that's not all. They will also be bringing some amazing new champions, and they're developing the amazing looking Doom Tower as we speak. Make sure you're quick as using my link in the description. Every new player will get an exclusive welcome pack that contains 100,000 silver, 1 energy refill, 10 mystery shards and a free champion, Slasher. Now back to